The reason is, firstly, it is an international summit. Secondly, it is a Middle East, and I feel I have the same culture. And the last is, I see here very experienced doctors, and to see different visions, multidisciplinary. Surgeons' vision is different, endocrinists, and I learn many things from here. Yes, I learn many new things, and I will adapt it to my treatments. And therefore, I hope that I can add next year again. Yes, I present here about thyroid thermal ablations. We use microwave or radio frequency ablations, and we use this new technique, the innovative technique, in treatment of benign thyroid nodules, in treatment of parathyroid adenomas, in papillary carcinomas. It's new, it's a non-surgical, minimal invasive, and thyroid preserved procedure. This is my technique. Surgeon's aspect, because we only see an ultrasound outside the thyroid gland, but here the surgeons explain the anatomy better, and the guidelines about the malignancy, I learn new things here. Yes, because every participants have benefits from this. Because every participants learn from other participants new things, from other specialties. This is very important because it's multidisciplinary. Therefore, I think every participant have good benefits from this conference. Yes, I use social media very active, especially Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. And firstly, I will share my comments in my social media about this summit. And secondly, when we have an interventional radiology conference, of course, I will share the atmosphere, the comments here. I want to attend next year again. It's very beneficial. Therefore, I hope more frequently that we can attend this. Yes. Firstly, the summit is very good. And I was here in the operation rooms and in ablation rooms. It was very high standards. I surprised it for me. And the number and the difficulty of the cases surprised me very well. It's a very, I think, a reference point in Iraq, not only in Iraq, I think in Middle East. I'm surprised very well. The number of the cases and the quality of the treatment. I learned many things here. Thank you much for your invite.